welcome back to another Dazzling Poo video. So I hope you all are doing great and I'm also good to see you here. And tell me one thing, how am I looking today? Beautiful. Yes, I think I'm looking pretty well today because I have just transformed myself in an engagement girl. Yeah, this is a makeup for your engagement party, or you can say if not engagement, then you can opt this makeup as a wedding guest also, and you will look flawlessly beautiful, trust me. And one thing I just want to share with you also, that I have just wear this olive green, or you can say bottle green colors lehenga, and I bought this lehenga from zatki.com, and I have also shared the review of this lehenga when I bought it from the Zatki. So I will provide the link in I button or in description box if you want to watch that video. So yeah, because it's too affordable and quality, you can see it's very pretty. So if you want to watch that video, then just press that link. So now without any further delay, just directly fly to the video. Ta-ding. So here it is, you can see the reality behind the makeup. So yeah, now gonna start my makeup with this toner. It will just keep balance my skin's natural oil and my makeup will not turn black. And now for moisturization, I'm using this Lakme's Peach Milk Soft Cream. This is so much hydrated and its fragrance is amazing. And after that, I'm gonna apply a very important product, and you can't miss this on this special day. This is a sunscreen. You can use any kind of sunscreen which you prefer or use, or which one is your favorite. So yeah, done with my sunscreen, and now I'm gonna put this primer. This is from Nykaa. This is gel based, and I mostly prefer for a long day matte kind of look, so it will just turn my makeup in a matte kind of look. So yeah, now I'm gonna use this foundation from Wet n Wild in the shade Golden Beige. It suits me perfectly because I'm in warm yellow undertone. So yeah, I will put this foundation on my complete face, and now we'll blend it. As I always say, that the blending is the key. So just don't be hurry. Keep patience for at least 1 minute and just blend your foundation very patiently. So now I'm gonna use this concealer from NYX. This is 2-3 shade lighter than my shade, and this is a kind of whiter on my skin tone. And I'm using this concealer because I want that my eyeshadow will pop out, and that's why I'm using this kind of concealer, because it is just white, and when I will put my eyeshadow on it, it will just pop out way more. And for concealing my dark circles, I'm using this concealer from the same brand Wet n Wild in the shade medium, because NYX is way more lighter than my skin. अगर मैं वो अप्लाई करूँगी तो मेरी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा वाइटर एंड वियर्ड सा लुक आ जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर यूजिंग टू टाइप ऑफ concealer according to my makeup requirement. And now for setting this concealer, I'm using this Lakme's Compact. This it has also SPF. That's why I'm liking it so much, because this kind of day you just need to be safe from sun rays. So it is a kind of double sun protection. Yeah. So now for filling my eyebrows, I'm using this black shades of eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire. So yeah, I'm filling my eyebrows with this pencil, and now we'll just groom my eyebrows with the help of its pulley, and they have given this in a brush kind of shape. And now for my eye makeup, I'm going to use these two palettes, and I just love both of these palettes. And first I'm going to pick this light green shade for my transition shade. So yeah, I'm going to put this in my crease line, and will blend it very gently, and with lots of patience I will just blend this color. And now I'm going to use this concealer for cutting my crease, and because today I'm gonna do this green cut crease kind of makeup. And now for the cutted area, I'm gonna use this dark green shade matching with my nail paint, you can see here. So I will just put this eyeshadow on that concealer part with the help of a flattened brush. So now you can see why I used that 2-3 shades lighter concealer, because the color has pop out so well and I'm really liking this color. So for the same color I'm using on my lower lash line, and now I'm gonna use this kajal from Nykaa, and this is really smudge proof kajal and I also love its packing. It's quite alluring. So we'll put this kajal on both of my eyes, and for highlighting my eyes more and so that they look bigger, I'm going to use this white kajal. This is from Maybelline. So I will just put this kajal in my waterline. And now for eyeliner, I'm going to use this Lakme's eyeliner. This is not a waterproof eyeliner, friends, but this is really good. So here I'm not doing actual engagement look. I mean, मेरी engagement नहीं है. I'm just showing you that you can do your makeup like this. That's why I'm choosing this eyeliner, because I just love this one. You can use any waterproof eyeliner. And now for my eyeshadow, to give it a more dramatic and a more attractive kind of look, I'm using this glitter kind of eyeliner as a small kind of liner where I have cut the crease. Oh my god, I was not so well during that video, so I sneezed a lot during the shoot of this video. So now you can see that I am using this purples palette and using that contouring shade so that my face will look a bit of slimmer, and contouring makes a huge difference in your makeup. So I have just slimmed down my cheekbones, my nose and my jawline, of course, and now we'll blend everything perfectly with the help of this brush. So yeah, and after that I'm going to use some blush from the same palette I show you before, and after the blush I'm using this highlighter. This is from Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is a favorite highlighter of mine these days. This is so perfect and gives a very natural kind of finish to your makeup. So my last step is of course lipstick, and here I'm gonna mixing two lipstick. One is from Lakme and another one is from Huda Beauty. So first I'm gonna put this Lakme's, and after that I'm using this Huda Beauty's nude kind of lip shade, and that has turned my lip a very nude and pinkish kind of look, because I wanna just highlight my eyes more. That's why I have kept my lips a subtle and sober kind of look. And after jewelry, this is the complete look. So I have put on this dress with my dupatta and some hair updo and my full accessories, and this is the complete look. And yes, I have also put on some false eyelashes. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it.
So I hope you loved watching my this transformation as an engagement girl. Or you can do this makeup as a wedding guest, as I have told you previously. And if you like this video, then a thumbs up to de dijiye, and also press that red subscribe button and turn it into grey, so that we can stay connected for a long time and we can build a very good family of our dazzlers. So yeah, now we'll see you in my another video. Till then, bye bye, and of course, take care.